In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Before you begin, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged in, look and click the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Form Styles. This will take you to the page where your form templates are displayed, including invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. Next, look through the list of template styles and find the invoice template you want to edit. Once you locate the template, select the Edit button next to it. This will open the editing interface for that invoice template. Now, make the changes you need to your invoice template. You can adjust the layout, change the color scheme, add your company's logo, or modify text fields. Make the necessary changes directly in the editing interface. As you make changes, use the Preview feature to see how the invoice looks. Review the template and check the changes before saving them. Once you are satisfied with the modifications, review the invoice details carefully. Check the payment terms, company address, and contact information. Make sure these details are up to date and accurately reflected on the invoice. After reviewing everything, select Save. Your updated invoice template will now be ready to use. The changes you made to the template will automatically apply whenever you generate a new invoice. That completes the process of editing an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Finally, select Save to apply your changes to the invoice template. Your updated template is now ready to use for new invoices. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.